to understand.
What are you talking about? Like, give me...
Are you and Ashay still friends?
No, we are not.
Why?
Because Ashay hurt me.
How did he hurt you?
I've been telling him what hurts me and my boundaries, and he didn't follow them. So I can't give him another chance.
Ashay, is this true?
Hey, I don't think it's true, Smash, but it's fine. It is what it is.
The housemate that will be leaving the big brother Mzansi Bazozwa house is Ilano. Say your goodbyes and leave the big brother Mzansi house.
Ilano, you have been evicted.
It's fine, baby. What happened?
You have 10 seconds to leave. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6.
Yeah. Yeah.
Ilano, you have to make it. Housemates, your cue.
Sure, brother.
What do you want to get off your chest, bro? While you ponder on that, let me tell you, you are about to walk into week 8. And as you do that, you are only 9 housemates away from the 2 million rand grand prize, which means one step closer to the finish line. The popularity contest is finally over. Survival mode is engaged. Top 10, it's predator versus prey. In due course, we will see who's left standing when the jungle takes over. Rest well, stay alert, and good night.